I'm Mike at Top Dog SF, and I'm here with Danny the Bernese Mountain Dog, and in this video, we're going to be working on the Leave It cue. Leave It is an extremely important cue for the safety and well-being of every pet dog. So I have high-value treats in both hands. I have one high-value treat in my right hand and several high-value treats in my left hand. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. So in the beginning, all I'm asking Danny to do is to leave the food in my right hand. I close it, and then I immediately give her a piece of food with my left hand. And this way, Danny will start to anticipate that when I say leave it, that means she's going to be given a treat with my opposite hand. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Yes. So once we know that when I say leave it and put my hand out, Danny will look towards my left side in anticipation of the treat. Then that's where you see that I'm marking with YES, and then I bring my hand out to give her the treat. We want to build this up, many repetitions over many sessions. Leave it. Yes. And now I'm going to practice with the opposite hand. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Yes. Leave it. Yes. Leave it. Yes. And now we're going to practice this exercise with a novel item, a little phone stand box. I'm going to get Danny to then leave something of lower value for something of higher value. Leave it. Yes. Leave it. Yes. Leave it. Yes. So these are the first basic steps for introducing the leave it cue. Offering something in your hand, saying leave it, immediately closing your hand, and then feeding with your opposite hand. Once your dog is doing that very well, and when you say leave it, they turn to look at your other hand, then that's where you mark with a YES. And then once your dog is doing that very well, then we build more value in the exercise by offering something of low or no value in exchange for a high reward treat. And this way the dog finds that leaving something alone is very valuable and very meaningful. We hope this video was helpful. If it was, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and check out our other videos. If you would like more information about Top Dog SF, please visit our website, topdogsf.com.